So we've spoken about the basics of video resumes, how to get started on your first resume. There are a couple of red flags I would like to highlight in this video. Alright. Video resume is probably going to make a more lasting impression than your regular textual resume. A textual resume is read for 6 seconds, video resume 30 seconds, and they get to see a preview of your personality. So when you decide to record your video resume, first things first, do not drink your cup of coffee or a glass of water and in an attempt to show it like a casual conversation, etc. All of that. Keep it professional. At the end of the day, it is a resume. All right, until and unless the company has specifically asked that why don't you throw your imagination wild and do something super creative for us. Yes, then you can go for it. Maybe it's for a graphic designing role or a creative director role or something like that. But if it's a regular elevator pitch, like a video resume should be, I would say avoid the drinks. When you're recording it, all right, ensure your backdrop is something like this, not too flashy, not too distractive, and definitely if you can't find like a white wall or something which looks like professional, blur it. All right, there are a lot of tools out there which help you to do that. Don't do it in front of a magenta wall or like super neon kind of graffiti, etc. It won't look nice. Now the other thing that we've noticed, all right, people in a hurry to record and post, because that's how we live in today's life, they forget how important lighting is. The perfect amount of light, if you're doing it outside, is in the morning. If you're inside, keep it not too bright and not too dim. All right, keep it somewhere middle where it gives a very natural kind of phenomena to video, so it makes it look like more humane. Lighting is important, trust me, like do not negate it. Lastly, dressing up. All right, if it's a video resume, don't think that you can go casual about it. Think of it as like a small preview into an interview. So be formal, be smart and casual if it has to be, but don't go all loafers, t-shirts or something like that. Keep it very structured. You should look good, and it's like an interview before an interview. All right, so think of that when you're doing it. These are some of the insights I wanted to go deep in. With the following videos, I'll keep on talking more about how you can make a better video resume. But for now, this is it. And if you keep on liking our content, please hit like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.